Mom? Mom? Where were you? Why didn't you save me? Why didn't you protect me? I was dying and you didn't even notice. You were supposed to be there for me, Mama. I was hurting. I was losing my life. And where were you? Please save me, Mama. I'm scared. Please.